9 stages of spiritual awakening that I had gone through in my personal awakening journey. If you are resonating in any of symptom or any stage, then please comment me below. And also comment me below which part of the world you are tuning from, which stages you are crossing, and if you are finding some difficulties, also just comment me below. Spiritual awakening journey, in my case, I can say it's a soul's growth journey in mindset, evolveness towards consciousness, movement towards the higher consciousness. So it's a very beautiful journey. At the same time, this journey also becomes pathetic, so much tiring, hardship, puzzling, confused, depressed, sad, a lot of emotional turmoil, challenging. So, spiritually awakening journey is not for something like flowers or amazing. It also has a cocoon phase of life where a soul goes into a very deep state level of life where it evolves into a new reality. So in this video, I'm going to deep dive into 9 stages of spiritual awakening that I had gone through in my personal awakening journey. If you are resonating in any of symptom or any stage, then please comment me below. And also comment me below which part of the world you are tuning from, which stages you are crossing, and if you are finding some difficulties, also just comment me below, because when you are commenting below, also other people are watching over this video and they can resonate, they feel like they are not alone, because we all are here to evolve each other, we all are here to help each other. Just comment me below. And if you are finding something similar symptoms or similar stages, also you can write down. If you are finding something different, also just write down. So my first symptom when I was going through spiritual awakening journey, I also can say that you can resonate, and I was feeling like lost, depressed. Most of my nights were very much sleeplessness. I was not having any kind of monetary issue or any kind of things, but I had a very big unknown fears, and those fears I was not able to share and with anyone. So if you are feeling like depressed, sad, or sleepless nights, nightmares, unknown fears, then you are on spiritual awakening journey. This is one of the first symptom I was across. Second type of symptom you will see, like all of a sudden you will start seeing like synchronicities, like in my case I was seeing like most of the time 111, 222, 444, 888, 77, and sometimes even night time I was waking up and I was seeing my phone. Okay, what time is it? It's 10:10. Okay, 23:23, 12:12. What is it? 14:41. Lot of synchronicities, like similar numbers and mirror numbers, but you must know that those numbers are actually helping us in our spiritual awakening. Yeah, those are signs. Those all numbers numerologically it has a meaning, so it is actually guidance. And also my masters always say, like we have universal guidance. It is helping us to evolve our soul in our awakening journey through these numbers. So pay attention if you are on the spiritual awakening journey and also you have such synchronicities going on. So it is a beautiful sign and it's going to help you. Third sign, if you are suddenly facing such kind of situation where your parents, your own relations, very close ones, spouse, partner, anyone, friend circle, everything is like falling apart. You will feel like so much confused. You will feel like your thought patterns are not matching it anymore. You are not feeling the same level of thought, same level of vibration. You always feel like lackingness, even though you are in a group of people, in the event or in any festive mode, anything that will not help you to bring more peace or happiness or anything. You will still feel the lackingness even though you are with them. And in my case, I was not liking to be with the group of people, but at the same time I was going through in such a phase, like I was feeling like if I don't meet the people, then they will reject me. I had the fear of rejection, so I was doing all of things for societal conditioning, like we had to maintain some societal structural things and conditioning, so I was doing out of my wish. So if you are going through such kind of phase, like relationships are falling apart, you don't like to be with them anymore, and you don't have any desire to be sharing anything to anyone, then you are also on this spiritual awakening journey, and this is the third symptom. Fourth stage or fourth symptom of spiritual awakening journey, all of a sudden you will see your skin is changing, the color of skin is changing, the texture of skin is changing, and some people also lose weight, some people gain weight, because your cells of body is like transmuting, and it's transforming, everything is evolving into positivity. All toxics, all toxins inside body is actually releasing. This is the phase where you will see a lot of change in your, especially on facial structure, facial expression, facial, like the skin. In my skin was very very dull, and I was seeing myself, I was my color of skin was pale yellow, and it was going under little Indian skin tone, like a brownish color. So I was feeling, oh my god, what is happening to me? My eyes were like just gone inside. It was all of dark circles, and I was losing weight out of any reason. And this, so if you are having such kind of symptoms, then also this is one of the symptom. And don't worry, it will fade away, it will go away, you will be evolving into a new reality of life. So you can see me. Yeah, this is one of the symptoms. The fifth symptom, some people face some digestion issues. So what happens, they just change their diet plan in this time. In my case, I was going through in such a phase, I was not able to digest simple food even. I was one of the biggest non-vegetarian. I used to love a lot of lamb meat, eggs, chicken. Very rarely I was I was loving to eat any vegetables, but all of a sudden I didn't like to eat those food anymore. And mostly whatever I was eating, it was actually not digesting. That time I was having bloating on my stomach, and also, but I was also losing weight. So it was very very awkward, very weird feeling when someone goes through such kind of phase. So if you are facing such kind of phase, this is also one of the symptom. Just comment me below if you are having such kind of issue. I am very much curious to know. And it's okay to share, it's okay to share with our soul, what we are going through, in what kind of phase of our life. It's also helping others. Yeah. The sixth sign, you will see yourself is seeking to know a lot of about spirituality. You will love to know more about spiritualism, the evolvedness, the consciousness journey. You will love to read books. You can see my books. I was the one never liked to study much. I was a civil engineer, and I the whole life I was just thinking about to gaining material things and gaining fame, and gaining everything like relationship. I was always chasing. I was completely tired of doing everything but except then reading a book, which actually when I was loving reading book when I was a child. So if you are such kind of phase, you love to know more about spirituality, the oneness, about universe, law of attraction, manifestation, all these things, if you want to know, then this is also one of the symptom. Because in my case, I love to know everything about spirituality but it was my ego, because one cannot learn everything in this lifetime. We are just seeking a very minute portion of knowledge in this lifetime. But anyways, we are on this spiritual awakening journey, and this is such a beautiful path of consciousness journey. And if you find yourself resonating such kind of symptom, then make yourself grateful that it's okay to be, and you just bring good books. Anywhere you will find a lot of sources, lot of books. There are many people out right there, they have sent a lot of messages for us to evolve our soul. So it's okay to read books and that's a very good hobby. Actually it will also help you to unlock your questions and answers. It's very nice. The seventh symptoms is one of my favorite one. Actually, I love to stay alone. So if you are in such a phase where you want to see yourself in solitude, before in my life I never liked to stay alone. Even if I found some solitude time, I was running away from that time. I was always going to mall. I was always trying to do something that I can involve someone from outside. If nothing would be there, I would have called to some family members. I would just talk, because I was not liking to be on alone before. And after this journey, in this spiritual awakening journey, exactly, I just wanted to stay alone. I just wanted myself to be on solitude, so that I can read a book, I can do some paintings, and I can do anything like, activities which actually bring my focus, my peace, the joyfulness inside. If such kind of symptoms, if you have, just comment me below which kind of activities you are doing, and because it is very nice to share. Actually, I was the one, I never liked to painting, and you can't even imagine, I had painted a big woman, like almost 1,008 big canvas, and it was very big canvas. I love to do that. And for your information, I had never done that before. It is very amazing to do such kind of activities. Actually, it will actually evolve your brain, and it is very helpful in spiritual awakening journey. If such kind of symptom, if you have, just it's very nice. Eighth symptom is all of a sudden you will have a deep desire to helping people. You will feel like you have a mission to serve the world selflessly. You will not feel like becoming jealousness, or you will not feeling like you know to be with such emotions which exactly you used to be before, like societal conditioning, our family patterns, and like competition. You will just see you always will have a desire to be in peace, enlightened body, and also you will feel like it's okay to be in solitude, do some ninth symptom, or and the last one. And you will see all of a sudden new people are coming into your life, new opportunities are coming into your life. Maybe you have to uh, change a country, or change a place, or change something will change. Like it's a transition phase, right? You are on down and you are just climbing up. So it's a transition page. It's okay to take pause and stop for a moment and think about it. Don't think too much. Mind is always miserable. So just be calm, because whatever opportunities are coming for you, it's for you. Universe actually has delivered these opportunities. If you are finding such kind of symptom, then also this is one of the symptom of spiritual awakening journey. In my case, I was in India, so I changed my country to Denmark. I never would love to stay outside in like any country for more than 1 or 2 months. I was like always feeling like, okay, I just need to go India back. But all of a sudden, after spiritual awakening journey, something changed in me. I no longer desired to stay near my workplace. I changed my work. I left my home. I left everything and shifted to my new country, Denmark. So yeah, but it's been more than 1 year right now. I have never stayed such long time in anywhere at one time. So this is one of the biggest change in me. So if you have such kind of symptom, then this is also one of the spiritual awakening symptom. So these are the 9 symptoms. If you are resonating some, or if you are also not resonating, or something different you are facing, please comment. If you find some informative from this video, and also you want to know more about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, anything, then just please comment me below. And also you can contact me through our links which is already in our description box. It's okay to ask any questions related to your journey. It's okay to share, and that's very nice. But don't worry, if you are facing such challenges in the spiritual awakening journey, don't worry, it is just for the short time, and it is just a transition time. All what you need is just have patience and believe on yourself, trust on universe. Everything is going to be all right. Never mind to ask any question to anyone, and especially me. I'm already here. I'm always here for you. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Namo Himalaya.